Right. After the 7 glorious months of Elite Miss Rajasthan, the day has come when we'll announce our top 31 finalists all across Rajasthan. The best thing about Elite Miss Rajasthan is we have done the auditions in Jodhpur, Udaipur and Kota also. So we have got girls from all across Rajasthan. हमारे पास राजस्थान के छोटे छोटे गांवों से लड़कियां हैं, जैसे कि परतापुर है, बांसवाड़ा है, झालावाड़ से हमारे पास है, चूरू से हमारे पास है. बहुत सारे ऐसी जगह हैं जहां से हमारे पास 31 गर्ल्स हैं. हम इन 31 गर्ल्स को अनाउंस करेंगे. आई वुड लाइक टू हम चाहेंगे कि हम सर का हमारे स्वागत करें. सर जगदीश सर का, हमारे चीफ गेस्ट एंड साबू सर का, जो कि जिनके रिजॉर्ट में हम रुकने वाले हैं. राइट, द मोमेंट इज हियर. द टाइम टू अनवील आवर टॉप 31. पुल डाउन द कर्टन. नीचे कर दीजिए भैया. आइए, ले जाइए. राइट, कैन यू हैव ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर आवर 31 फाइनलिस्ट ऑफ एलीट मिस राजस्थान. अदिति, can I have the list, please? वो लिस्ट दीजिए मुझे. ये नहीं,
एक आपको दी थी सर.
Can I have the list? Chitna, can I have the list, please? With the order? नहीं, ये नहीं. List with the order.
सर
देखो, बताओ. Yeah. Thank you. Right, it's time to introduce our beautiful divas from all across Rajasthan. But the best thing about Elite Miss Rajasthan, we have got girls from all the cities, all the छोटे-छोटे कस्बे, गांव. Tanu Chaudhary. Can we have Tanu Chaudhary on stage, please? Tanu. All yours. Want the rap?
Namaste, my name is Tanu Chaudhary, finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan. Since very long time, we are discussing about women empowerment. But in that, we include saying that women are equally stronger and more stronger than men. But I don't think we should compare ourselves with anyone. And we need, but have seen the power, how strong women are. As in our country and as well as in our world, there are some reasons where women are treated as a weak gender. But we need to ensure that we are not weak. We need to ensure that we are capable for everything as we want. Thank you.
Right, for the sash ceremony, I would like to invite Dr. Jagdish Chandra ji on stage, please, sir. For the sash ceremony, Aditi, give the sash to sir. Sir, तो ये sash पहनाना है आपको. Aditi, you help. Aditi, help करो. सुशील जी, फ्रेम से आप बाहर आओ. अदिति, फ्रेम से बाहर जाइएगा आप. सैश दे दीजिए, सर को दे दीजिए. Exit the frame. Exit the frame. Only sir and the girl. Thank you. Thank you. Back to your position. Tanu, back to your seat, sir. Soni Kumari. Fact number 2, Soni Kumari. भैया जब मैं बोलूंगा, जब म्यूजिक बढ़ाइएगा आप नाम के बाद. म्यूजिक बढ़ाइए. चेतना, कोऑर्डिनेट प्लीज. All yours.
Women don't need magic to prove something for themselves. They are already powerful. They just need to believe it. Hello everyone. I'm Soni Kumari and I am finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020 and I belong to the beautiful city Jaipur. Thank you.
For the sash ceremony, I would like to invite Sabu sir on stage, please. Aditi, help him and exit the frame. Sabu sir. Sir, you can remove your mask, sir, for the picture. Right. ठीक है दीदी, exit the frame. सर एक पिक्चर उठाए. Thank you. एनर्जी कम नहीं होनी चाहिए जब मैं किसी का नाम अनाउंस करूं. प्लीज डू क्लैप एवरीबडी इन द हॉल. प्लीज डू एनकरेज ऑल दीज गर्ल्स. ये सब बहुत यंग लड़कियां हैं, अपने करियर के आज पहले मुकाम पे हैं. मैं चाहूंगा कि आप सब लोग अच्छे से अप्लॉज करें हमारे ब्यूटीफुल डिवास को. राइट, द थर्ड टैग नंबर 3, शबनम इस्ता ज़बीन. शबनम, म्यूजिक प्लीज कीजिए.
Hello, myself Shabnam Ikhlas. I'm an actor and model from New Delhi. And for me, women empowerment is all about being bold in changing minds, bold in managing your life, and bold in taking decisions, taking good decisions, taking bold decisions. Thank you.
Right, for the set ceremony, I would like to call Charlie on stage. Shabnam, stay please. Aditi, पीछे आइए शबनम. Go little, come little back. हाँ. चार्वी. And a picture. Thank you. Tag number 4, Bhavya Jain.
Good afternoon. My name is Bhavya Jain and I'm from Udaipur. In my opinion, giving women her rights and her freedom is women empowerment. Thank you. I'm one of the finalists of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020.
I would like to invite Anil Bhattar sir on stage, our director of Elite Miss Rajasthan, to sash our beautiful Bhavya Jain. Aditi, help करते हैं इनकी and then exit the frame. Thank you. Tag number 5, Riya Sen.
finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan, and according to me, an empowered woman is beautiful without descriptions and powerful without measures. Thank you.
For the first ceremony, I would like to invite Yashil Pandel sir, Director of Elite Miss Rajasthan Season 7, on stage please. Aditi, please help him out and exit the frame. Nausha Khatri. Tag number 6, Nausha Khatri.
Hello, my name is Nausha Khatri. I am from Jaipur and I am one of the finalists of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020. According to me, the biggest adventure any woman can take is to live the life of your dreams, because no one else will going to do it for you. Thank you.
For the said ceremony, I would like to invite Ajit Soni ji, Director of Elite Miss Rajasthan, on stage, please. Aditi, please help him out. And exit the stage. Isha Agarwal, Jaipur.
Hello everyone, my name is Isha Agarwal and I am from Jaipur. I feel a woman is like a full circle. She has the power to create, nurture and transform. Thank you so much.
For the said ceremony, I would like to invite Govind Jawarji and Ravi Jawarji on stage. I think Govind ji is not here. Ravi Jawar will do the honors. Aditi, please help him out and exit the train.
And exit the train.
Track number 8, Juhi Seshani from beautiful city, Jodhpur, blue city of Rajasthan, Jodhpur.
Everyone, my name is Juhi Teshani. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and I really believe that if you want to set something, ask a man, and if you want to done something, ask a woman. And I am one of those finalists of 2020 in Elite Miss Rajasthan. Thank you so much.
For the said ceremony, I would like to invite अपेक्स के हमारे डीन और हमारे साथ बहुत सालों से जुड़े हुए हैं मौलिक शाह, डॉक्टर मौलिक शाह. राधिका चौधरी.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm Radhika Raj Chaudhary. I'm from Jaipur and I'm the one of the finalists of Elite Miss Rajasthan. Talking about women empowerment, there is no tool for development more effective than empowering women. And I think Elite Miss Rajasthan is on the right track of empowering women. Thank you.
For the next ceremony, I would like to invite Sanjay sir, Sardara ji on stage, please. Aditi. संजय सर की एक और खासियत यह है कि सर ने हमारा जो व्यूअर्स चॉइस अवार्ड है वो 5 साल के लिए स्पॉन्सर किया है. ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सो मच. प्रियंका माथुर फ्रॉम द सिटी ऑफ बूंदी, छोटा सा शहर बूंदी कोटा के पास, और वहां से हमारे साथ है प्रियंका माथुर.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Priyanka Mathur. I am from Bundi, Rajasthan and I am one of the finalists of Elite Miss Rajasthan Season 7. This is for every girl out there. Never ever doubt your worth. You're valuable and powerful just the way you are. Thank you.
Can we have Manisha Pandel ji from hashtag Blunt, our official styling partner, hashtag Blunt, and the owner of hashtag Blunt, Manisha Pandel ji. Thank you. Monica Meena.
Empower the women and develop the nation. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Monica Meena from Jaipur. I am the finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020. Thank you.
Next ceremony, I would like to invite Daisy Chaudhary on stage, a beautiful mentor and one of the finalists of last year's Elite Miss Rajasthan. Beautiful and gorgeous Daisy Chaudhary.
What I've got to say, but I have this dream right inside of me. I'm gonna let it show. It's time to let you know, to let you know. There's a will, exactly where I'm supposed to be.
Deepika Singh. बिसाऊ से हैं ये, बिसाऊ, चूरू के पास एक छोटी सी जगह है बिसाऊ और वहां से हैं.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepika Singh. I'm 25 years old from Bisau, Rajasthan. According to me, we are powerful when we empower each other. Thank you so much.
For the guest ceremony, I would like to invite our Talwakers, owners of Talwakers, Ranjit ji and Ashish ji on stage, please. हमारे साथ बहुत साल से जुड़े हुए हैं तलवकर्स और आप सबको टॉप 31 को तलवकर्स की 1 साल की मेंबरशिप फ्री मिलती है. तलवकर्स जयपुर में हमारी 5 ब्रांचेस हैं. सर की सक्सेसफुल. मुकेश जी भी आ जाएं. मुकेश जी आइए सर, आइए. मुकेश जी प्लीज कम. मैं और मुकेश साथ में जिम करते हैं शाम को. हाँ, इवनिंग में है हमारे साथ. अदिति इनको सबको बता दो. आप एक से यशवी सोनी, टैग नंबर 13.
Feminism isn't about making women strong. Women are already strong. It's about changing the world the way it thinks to perceive that strength. Thank you. I'm Yashvi Soni. I'm from Pink City, Jaipur. And I'm one of the finalists of Elite Miss Rajasthan Season 7 2020. Thank you.
For the sex ceremony, I would like to invite Raghav Raj Soni ji on stage. Teva Jewelry से हैं हमारे साथ और इनके फादर पद्मश्री हैं. पद्मश्री अवार्ड सम्मानित हैं इनके फादर. सर आप रुकेंगे सर एक बार. Janvi, he wants to give you a gold pendant right here in front of everybody. He's got a gold pendant for you. Raghav Raj Soni, Teva Jewelry से. और इनके फादर साहब को पद्मश्री मिला है, which is a huge award. इंडिया में प्रेसिडेंट देते हैं उनको. प्रेसिडेंट सम्मानित है इनके फादर और ये एक ब्यूटीफुल सा पेंडेंट आपके लिए गिफ्ट लाए हैं चारवी. It's a gold pendant by Teva Jewelry. Thank you. Tag number 14, Sushma Chaudhary.
Hello everyone, I am Shushma Chaudhary from Jhunjhunu. I am one of the finalists of Elite Miss Rajasthan Season 7. To all the girls who is watching me, do not wait someone to come and speak for you. It's you who can change the world. The future is female.
For the next ceremony, I would like to invite Rahul ji on stage, our official food partner, Romeo Kitchen and Street. Romeo Street and Kitchen. Rahul ji. प्रतिभा चौधरी.
I believe behind every successful woman there is a tribe of other successful women who have her back. I am Pratibha Chaudhary, the finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020 from Jaipur. Thank you.
आलोक सर एंड टीम को बुलाना चाहूंगा. आलोक तिवारी सर एंड टीम. आलोक तिवारी सर एंड टीम. क्लियर न्यूज से. क्लियर न्यूज से. आलोक जी दस कर दीजिए. थैंक यू. साक्षी जैन परतापुर से है सर. ये बाबू सर ये परतापुर से है, जो कि एक छोटा सा गांव है. डिस्ट्रिक्ट आपकी डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्या है? बांसवाड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है. छोटा सा गांव परतापुर, और वहां से ये होनहार लड़की निकल के आई है.
नमस्ते. यत्ते नारस्तु पूजन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवताः यस्ते तास्तु न पूजन्ते सर्वा फला क्रिया. My name is Sakshi Jain from Partapur. I am the one of the finalists of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020. Thank you.
For the next ceremony, I would like to invite Rahil Amir on stage. Rahil on stage, our official designer of Elite Miss Rajasthan. One of the sequences is doing Neelghar, उनके ब्रांड का नाम. करिश्मा टाक, ये जहाजपुर से है सर. जहाजपुर एक छोटी सी जगह है भीलवाड़ा के पास. वहां से ये लड़की उभर के आई है, और उन्होंने ऑडिशंस दिए, और जयपुर से ऑडिशंस दिए. इन्होंने जयपुर को ट्रैवल किया, और छोटे से एक गांव जहाजपुर से ये हैं.
Hello everyone, my name is Karishma Tak. I am from Bhilwara nearby Jahajpur. One of finalists Miss Elite Rajasthan 2020 Season 7. जब हो नारी में शक्ति सारी, तो फिर क्यों कहे नारी को बेचारी. Thank you.
Lovely. हिंदी आप रुकिए. हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है, और हिंदी में बोलने में कोई शर्म नहीं है. हिंदी के कोई मार्क्स नहीं है. हिंदी में इन्होंने बोला. चलिए श्रेष्ठ शर्मानी के लिए बुलाना चाहेंगे हिना बेलानी जी को. हमारी फिनाले डिजाइनर है एलीट मिस राजस्थान की. हिना जी श्रेष्ठ बना दीजिए. अदिति शर्मा, टैग नंबर 18, अदिति शर्मा. करौली से है ये. करौली डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्या लगता है? डिस्ट्रिक्ट करौली है. चलिए डिस्ट्रिक्ट की करौली है. आइए.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Sharma and I am the finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan. Being a girl, I have always believed in a one thing, that is, no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. So, be bold, be independent, and stay yourself. Thank you.
I would like to call Prakash Jangir ji on stage, associate from Jodhpur से आए हैं हमारे लिए आज सेट सेरेमनी के लिए स्पेशली. स्वाति जांगीर जो हमारी मेंटर है उनके हस्बैंड भी हैं ये. सर स्वाति हस्बैंड प्रकाश. हिमाक्षी चौधरी सीकर से हैं.
Hello everyone, I belong to Sikar, Rajasthan, and myself Himakshi Chaudhary, and I'm pursuing my graduation, Elite Miss Rajasthan. Thank you, and have a beautiful Sunday ahead, everyone.
For the sex ceremony, I would like to invite Vishaka, one of the designers of Elite Miss Rajasthan. Aditi, please help her out. Tag number 20, Ria Solodia. जयपुर से है ये.
Hello everyone, my name is Ria Suledia. I'm the finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020 from Jaipur, Rajasthan. According to me, a girl should be two things, who and what she wants. Thank you.
Right, for the third ceremony, I would like to invite our mentor, Tripti Sharma. Tripti on stage, please. Tripti Sharma. सुमित्रा गोदारा नागौर से हैं ये. नागौर डिस्ट्रिक्ट से.
A woman with a voice is by definition a strong woman, and it took a long time to develop a voice, and now that I have it, I won't be silent. I am Sumitra Godara from Nagaur and finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020. Thank you.
For the next ceremony, I would like to invite Saurabh from Midnight Vegas. Saurabh from Midnight Vegas, our official lounge partner. सानिया खान. सानिया खान जयपुर से ही है.
My name is Sania Khan and I'm from the Jaipur, and I believe women is already strong and powerful, और अगर सोच है तो लोगों की गलत सोच को बदलने की. Thank you.
Lovely. I would like to have our mentor Vishal K. Swami on stage, please, for the chef ceremony. नेक्स्ट है हमारी चूरू की शान. चूरू से है ये लड़की शशि भाटी.
believe a woman is an artist. She's a star, she's a creator, she gives a birth to a child in this world. So just she needs to push herself a little hard towards her dream. I, Shashi Bhati, one of the finalists of Rajasthan Miss 2020 from Churu, believing in Nari Shakti. Thank you.
I would like to invite Ankur Sihag on stage for the shed ceremony.
Tanya ji, daughter of Sanjay. Sanjay Sadda.
Thank you. विप्रा मेहता, our young sensation, 18 साल की है ये लड़की, उदयपुर से, just 18 years old.
Vipra Mehta and I'm from Udaipur, Rajasthan and one of the finalists of Elite Miss Rajasthan. I think that women is stronger the way they are and society should support them that whatever work they are doing. Thank you so much.
हमारी ऑफिशियल पीआर तोशी आ जाएं स्टेज पे. तोशी को बुलाना चाहूंगा स्टेज पे फॉर द सेट सेरेमनी. तोशी, मास्क उतार के प्लीज आइए, सेट बनाना है आपको. ऑफिशियल पीआर ऑफ एलीट मिस राजस्थान, स्पॉटलाइट पीआर तोशी. रूबी चौधरी, रूबी चौधरी नीम का थाना से हैं ये.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruby Chaudhary. I'm from Neemka Thana. As according to me, women empowerment is the strongest women and the most independent women.
तानिया जी को बुलाना चाहूंगा ऊपर में स्टेज पे फॉर द सेट सेरेमनी. अदिति, दिविजा गंभीर, दिविजा गंभीर झालावाड़ से हैं. born in झालावाड़, brought up in मुंबई.
Kama Khari and good afternoon everyone. I am Divija Gambhir and I'm from Jhalawad. I am one of the finalists of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020 Season 7. For me, I'm highly motivated with the women of today because of they have conquered all the fronts, be it political, be it science, be it arts. So here's to the strong women. May we know them, may we be them, and may we raise them. Thank you so much.
I would like to call Ankit Sen on stage, our official photographer of Elite Miss Rajasthan. He captures all of you, the beautiful pictures, all by Ankit Sen. Akshita Datta, a girl from Ajmer.
I just want to say to every girl out there, your voice can change the world, because if I can, then we all can. Hi, I'm Akshita Datta from Ajmer, finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020, and I stand for women empowerment. Thank you.
Right, for the set ceremony, I would like to invite Ramesh ji, our official backstage photography करते हैं हमारे साथ. Ramesh ji, please do the honors. जूही टिकीवाल, टोंक से हैं सर, ये टोंक से, जयपुर से 70 किलोमीटर दूर टोंक, और टोंक से ये गर्ल है जूही टिकीवाल.
strong. I'm the finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan. Thank you.
मैं चाहूंगा कि हमारे एलीट मिस राजस्थान की जो बैकबोन है, जो मैं तो आगे रहता हूं कैमरे पे, मेरे पीछे से जो काम करते हैं वो है सपना बुंदलवाल और चेतना। दोनों जने आ जाएं। सपना बुंदलवाल और चेतना और अदिति भी, तीनों जने। अदिति ऑल्सो, अदिति, सपना बुंदलवाल एंड चेतना, थ्री ऑफ यू। अदिति मत बैठाओ, Aditi, team behind Elite Miss Rajasthan, these three girls. Aanchal Ajaypal, girl from Chittorgarh. वीरों का शहर चित्तौड़गढ़।
Hello everyone, I am Aanchal Ajaypal from the city of Coast, Chittorgarh, Rajasthan, one of the finalists of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020. I believe that we need to change our perceptive how we view ourselves. We need to take stand as women and lead the society. Thank you so much.
दिया को बुलाना चाहूंगा मैं, दिया मेहता को, हमारे लास्ट ईयर की फर्स्ट रनर अप है एलीट मिस राजस्थान की। ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर दिया मेहता। हमारे लास्ट ईयर की फर्स्ट रनर अप है। And the last girl, Isha Agarwal from Jodhpur.
I want to say only one thing. Be fearless, be voice. Be a woman of your choice. Hello to all. My name is Isha Agrawal. I'm the finalist of Elite Miss Rajasthan 2020. I'm from Jodhpur. Thank you so much.
And for the sex ceremony, I would like to invite Director and Founder of Elite Miss Rajasthan, Gaurav Gaur. Right, these were our top 31 divas from all across Rajasthan. खासियत क्या है एलीट मिस राजस्थान की? आपने देखा, यहाँ पे हमारे पास हर शहर से एक गर्ल जरूर ली है हमने। जयपुर से मैक्सिमम है और बाकी सब जगह से हैं। मैं चाहूंगा कि फोटोशूट के लिए हम रेडी हो जाएं, लाइट्स आगे ले आएं और जो भी विशाल जी, चार्वी प्लीज। हाँ जी, मौलिक सर पोस्टर के लॉन्च करेंगे। आइए सर, एक सेकंड, एक पोस्टर लॉन्च कर लें। आइए सर, सर एक पोस्टर के लॉन्च करने आपको ऊपर। मौलिक सर, ऑल योर्स।
Great privilege to announce a 3 months program for all upcoming models. Me, Elite, Jaipur, Rajasthan, Gaurav, and Charlie.
And hashtag Blunt also.
We've all pledged one thing, that we are going to really help upcoming models and youngsters who are style conscious these days to come up with a 3 months fashion styling program where Gaurav is going to be, he's bending down, should not bend down. He is our chief mentor for this program, and we would request Jagdish sir to unveil the poster of this event. Please sir. not only the finalists, every girl who has attempted for the auditions of Elite Miss Rajasthan, this program would be offered to them at 50% scholarship. Thank you.
Great, thank you. I would like to invite Jagdish sir on stage, sir, for closing comments, sir. After that, sir, Sabu sir, उसके बाद. Sir, कैसे लगे सर आपको हमारे divas?
Excellent. You are a serious threat to feminine India. First time outside Mumbai, I have seen this great, glamorous scenario of all these 31 celebrities. Nothing to praise on your face, but it is a fact that for the first time, Jaipur has witnessed such a scenario, such a competitive race. And your effort to identify, locate and bring them to state capital Jaipur, people from Bundi, Churu, Mandawa and so many other places, Pratápur. So what I said earlier, I still go by that. You are a serious threat to feminism.
I would like to have a picture of all the models. Vishal ji, please, sir, कहाँ खड़े होंगे आप बताइए? थोड़ा पीछे की तरफ लेंगे सर को. यहाँ से entering.
Just 8 minutes, sir. Just one thing. Please move. Molly, tell you. आइए सर, please. आप भी आ जाओ बाहर. उसी में अंदर चले जाएं. Let's go.